Something related to your body. Is there something that you're doing physically that isn't working for your body? It could be your sleep habits. It could be your exercise habits, or maybe you push a little too hard on your body, or you tend to not give your body enough movement. So this is an invitation to release in the area, something in your body, something about your habits or your routine. It could be you don't have enough of a routine. It could be that you're so habituated to always having coffee in the morning or whatever else, or you're habituated to looking at your phone first thing when you wake up. There's an invitation, an energy to support you in releasing something. Mental. Are you spending a lot of time in your head? Maybe for your job, you do a lot of writing or you do a lot of thinking. Is there something about all that mental energy that can be released, reduced? Let's just say if you have a tendency to be extremely practical and very focused on, that's not going to work. How are you going to do that? You jump from a vision, a dream to how do you make it real? You're like one of those people. Hello, me. I'm not criticizing anybody. Maybe you're being invited this to release that tendency to always be so realistic. If you in these areas, here's what's possible. Visions. A connection, a knowing what it is that your heart really yearns for. Psychic or spiritual gifts, being able to sense things, your intuition, maybe your dreams, somehow getting more information or direction than you're used to, feeling more connected, part of the whole, the cosmic whole, the universal whole, or the whole of what feels good to you. If you release in these areas, the possibility is that you will receive these things. Vision, greater awareness of what your heart is yearning for, psychic, spiritual gifts, intuition, and a feeling of oneness.